Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Autodesk Maya, how to add texture to model. So as example, you can insert for the polygon cube, and next to add texture into this model, first you can go to Windows menu, rendering editors, and then click hyper shade. Now I will use the default option here for Lambert 1, and go to the color and then click at this white and black color, choose file, and then click the folder to searching your texture. So as example, I will use this texture wood, click open, and you also can edit like for the ambient color here, or the another option for diffuse. And if you done, you can minimize, and to apply to the object you can select the object, right click, hold, and then move to assign exiting material, click hyperset, and then we can choose Lambert 1. To show the texture you can click this icons texture. Okay, that's it for basic Autodesk Maya tutorial, how to add texture to model.